You're about to discover a covered-up medical fact that Dr. Weston Price, 25 years research, finally proved in 1965. Root canal-filled teeth always remain infected, no matter how much antibiotics of any kind is applied. Today, both patients and physicians have been brainwashed to think that oral infections are less serious because we now have antibiotics. In the case of root-filled teeth, the no longer living tooth lacks a blood supply to its interior, so circulating antibiotics don't phase the bacteria living there because they can't get at them. Dr. Mining, DDS. Hi, my name is Sung Lee, inventor of Ultimate Gum Solution, all-natural nutritional solution with natural antibacteria for gum disease treatment, periodontal disease. Once you finish watching this presentation, you'll feel just as confident as me that gum diseases can only be treated by a nutritional solution rather than by root canal surgeries or antibiotics. Now, before we explain any further, please see if any of the following symptoms applies to you. You have advanced periodontal disease, and one or more of your teeth is very exposed. Have tightness in your gum area with just a hint of pain now and then. Cannot even touch your tongue to the sides of your mouth. You have gum disease in your gum area where you had several root canals done. Stopped using dentist-prescribed gum medication because your eyes became swollen, itchy, and runny. Are taking penicillin, yet it's doing nothing to it. You have frequent tongue and cheek irritation. You have gums that are so sore that it's hard to brush them. Very sensitive gums with lots of bleeding. Have gum bleeding, retracted gums, and sensitive areas on some of your teeth. Ran into a serious health problem, which affected your teeth badly with infected gums and recurring cavities. Have a killer toothache. Are you short of money and time to spend on your dental work? You have a family member who has no dental insurance. Had a poor quality root canal done on your teeth. You are told that the removal of your broken tooth would cost you thousands of dollars. Have front teeth that would snap off any time, and you have to have expensive dentistry done. Was any of that true for you? If yes, or maybe, then let me have your attention a few more minutes. I'll have this video online for only a short time, and for a good reason, as you're about to see. Are you looking for a natural and nutritional solution to gum disease? You need to see a gum specialist, and your insurance does not cover it. Have used many gum medications, but they all are so irritating to your mouth and tongue. The surgery knives are waiting to cut up your gums. Need to have your upper or lower teeth be extracted due to gum disease. Now that you've come this far, you deserve to be in the know of this secret formula that I came across 16 years ago and have been pain-free since. And here it is. Ultimate Gum Solution is 100% natural liquid nutrition with the strongest all-nutritional antibacteria available to fight gum disease and degeneration. The Ultimate Gum Solution contains proprietary blended and processed Morinda citrifolia, CoQ10, aloe vera, ginseng extract, and over 96 natural health nutritional ingredients. No more surgeries due to oral infections. No more tooth pulled out due to infection. No more loose tooth due to infection. Quick and permanent pain relief, healing of gum, teeth, and entire mouth, periodontal disease. Get natural good breath and save huge amount of money too. Click the big orange button below to purchase Ultimate Gum Solution now. Having periodontal disease since youth, I spent over $25,000 for 2 major gum surgeries, with partials in the last 30 years. But there was no end of my gum disease. I used to visit dentist office every other month for gum infection treatment. After invention of this solution, I've never been to dentist office and didn't spend 1 penny for my gum treatment. Once I found this Ultimate Gum Solution, I had to get the opinion of my friend Mike Phillips, the CEO of Monastery of Herbs, as one of the most respected names in natural health remedies. Mike applied it for his own ever-bleeding gum and was so impressed by the results that he decided to help me refine the Ultimate Gum Solution formula. Then I started selling it in a few local nutritional stores, and here's what the customers testified. UGS healed their receding gum lines. Wonderful addition to their natural oral health. Their hot red inflammation seemed to have receded into a nice healthy pink. stopped their gum swelling and irritation. UGS was very helpful for their sensitive molar tooth. There was much less pain in sensitive gum areas. Their gums are now in top shape, no more bleeding, makes their teeth feel strong, and reduced yellowing. Their gum no longer bleeds when washing their teeth. It was well for their tender gums. Their gums became firmer and they could brush them firmly. UGS did relieve their abscesses. Their open red sore closed up few hours after using UGS. No more looseness of their teeth. Eliminated their tooth sensitivity due to hot and cold. Even their overall health seemed better. A few months passed and we got even happier results. Here's what they said. UGS helped them make those in-between dentist trips unnecessary. Their dentist is always so impressed when they go for a checkup. They love it more than they hate going to the dentist. So happy to keep their teeth when dentist was about to pull them due to deeply spread infection. Good news from their dentist. No gum surgery was needed after UGS use. Their periodontist was blown away with the improvement of their gums after UGS use. They even apologize if their testimony seems unbelievable. But they repeat that UGS truly does work that well for them and keeps them out of the dentist's office entirely. It was perfect for those who have no dental coverage. That purchasing UGS saved them thousands in dentist bills. Bought UGS, even though some a bit skeptical about the claims at first. We believe in UGS power to heal any gum or oral infection, that we offer a 100% money-back guarantee for 60 days. Click the big orange button below to purchase Ultimate Gum Solution now. Now that you made it this far in the presentation, let me tell you the science behind Ultimate Gum Solution. Dr. Price discovered that teeth was not a solid stone-like mass, but consisted of 95% very tiny tubules. Undamaged dentin tubules contain a nutrient-dense fluid that keeps the teeth alive and healthy. These nutrients are supplied daily to each tubule by the artery that accompanies the nerve and vein in the root canal. So when tooth decay spreads and attacks a tooth, it can usually be removed by a dentist, and the tooth saved with a filling. However, if the decay is neglected or not discovered until after it spreads into the root canal of the tooth itself, then the nerve and blood vessels become infected from the bacteria, which are part of the tooth decay process. The bacteria easily and rapidly travel the entire root canal, and of course, they easily discover those tubules and their nutrient supply. The organisms have, in fact, found a new home, one in which they grow and rapidly reproduce. Although most dentists know about dentin tubules, it is only in the last few years that any have ever heard of bacteria residing in them. Dr. Weston A. Price's monumental report, Nutrition and Physical Degeneration in 1965, clearly demonstrated to the world that human physical degeneration was basically a nutritional problem. There are still very limited knowledge in the dental profession to treat gum disease as nutritional solution, even after 70 years of this discovery. Thus, Ultimate Gum Solution was crafted to treat nutritionally the teeth interior, dentin tubules, so the harmful bacteria cannot reside in them. Ultimate Gum Solution gives permanent solution that antibiotics will never supply. Antibiotics can only get to the tooth interior via blood vessels, which are non-existent in most root-filled teeth. For the last 16 years, I've been perfecting this periodontal disease treatment formula based on innumerable feedback from thousands of customers in 46 countries worldwide, and now our success rate is virtually 99%. Click the big orange button below to purchase Ultimate Gum Solution now. Let UGS enthusiasts answer it way better than me. Here's what they said. Brush their teeth with it and over their gums. Swallow UGS after swishing it to have fresh breath as well. Use UGS every night in their water pick. Use a minimal amount so it'll last them a whole month. Preceded using UGS by rinsing twice with warm, slightly salty water after each meal. Recommend using it diligently so UGS can work wonders. Use 4 to 6 drops in water per half cup of water to make enough for a whole family to swish with after brushing. Have not found it necessary to use more than 5 or 6 drops at a time. Try to use UGS before going to bed so it can work while asleep. held it in their mouth a minute or two before swallowing for best results. Use the undiluted UGS because it is thick enough as not to run and can penetrate below the gum line. Like our very clear instructions on how to use it. Click the big orange button below to purchase Ultimate Gum Solution now. Here is more science behind Ultimate Gum Solution. When your body lacks proper nutrition, it loses strength in your vital immune system. Suddenly, your body no longer has the ability to fight against dangerous bacteria. This phenomena creates degenerative diseases that leads to many illnesses in our mouth and entire body. Dr. Weston Price's DDS research showed that when a person had an infection in any organ of his body, the bacteria involved could be transferred by way of the bloodstream to another gland or tissue, and therein start a whole new infection. Dr. Frank Billings found that 95% of these focal infections started in teeth and tonsils. Furthermore, Dr. Price discovered how the bacteria in teeth act much like cancer cells that metastasize to other parts of the body as they migrate throughout one's system. They infect the heart, kidneys, joints, nervous system, brain, eyes, and can endanger a pregnant woman, and in fact, may infect any organ, gland, or body tissue. In other words, your oral health determines your entire body's health. As we speak, those bacteria hidden in the dead center of your root-filled teeth are constantly causing degenerative disease in your gum and the rest of your body. There are no financial risk involved for you, since we do offer 100% money back, so don't risk your oral hygiene and health, not even one more second. Click the big orange button below to purchase Ultimate Gum Solution right now.